Okay, it is 1 month approximately after I planted all these tomatoes, and check out how well they're doing. And I had also planted a week after some other vegetables like kale. Here's the kale. There's also some carrots and watermelon radish, beets, Swiss chard, and some red basil. Purple basil, sorry about that. Pretty cool. Okay, now I'm going to take those little seedlings, and I'm going to pot them up and plant them in this soil. And also, I'm going to leave them now outside for part of the day so that they can harden off. I should mention that the soil I'm using is organic, and it has worm casting in it, so it's very rich in compost. The hardest thing about this transferring method is these are so tightly packed that I'm using my grandmother's coronation silver to try and pull the seedlings out. Okay, and so carefully, I think I'm going to have to dig a deeper hole. Carefully, I'm hoping that in this process of transferring the seedlings that they're not going to be too traumatized. I'm going to have to, it's hard to do with one hand. Anyway, basically, that's it. So, I have my work cut out for me. Look how much I have to do. Oh my God, wish me luck. Speak to you soon. Guys, I did 67 tomato and pepper plants this afternoon. I still have a bunch more to go, but I am done for the day. I'm going to show you now what they look like. Hang on. Golden cherry tomatoes, German Johnson tomatoes, Eva purple ball tomatoes, and lipstick sweet peppers. That's it. It's a wrap. Now we're going to go and have a cocktail, I think.